Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Hostinger VPS using SSH keys, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect to your Hostinger VPS using SSH keys, begin by generating an SSH key pair on your local machine. If you are using a Windows system, open PowerShell or command prompt. Run the command SSH keygen TRSAB2048 to create a new SSH key. You will be prompted to choose a location for the key pair. Press Enter to accept the default location. Next, enter a passphrase for added security, or press Enter to skip. Locate your public key, usually found in the .ssh folder. Open the public key file using a text editor. Copy the entire contents of the public key. Now, log into your Hostinger account. Navigate to the VPS section of your dashboard. Select the specific VPS you want to connect to. Look for the SSH access area and find the option to add a new SSH key. Paste your copied public key into the designated field. Label the key for easy identification. Click on the Add SSH Key button to save your changes. Now, open your terminal or command prompt again. Use the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP to initiate the connection. Replace username with your VPS username and your _VPS_IP with the IP address of your VPS. If prompted, enter the passphrase you set earlier. You should now be connected to your Hostinger VPS via SSH using your SSH keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.